Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I see a lot of people, telling me, well, what if somebody bought a new computer that is not compatible with Windows 11? And honestly, that should not happen. Two things need to be done here. The user or the person that buys a new PC really needs to do a minimum of homework. When you buy something new, it should be compatible with Windows 11, and it should have been for the past couple of years. As soon as Windows 11 was released, no one should have purchased a PC that could not go on to Windows 11. And unfortunately, there were a lot of people in the first year of Windows 11 buying Windows 10 PCs, and they're mad because they're like, well, I got a new PC. Well, here's the thing, a new PC and old technology can go together. It's a new PC, but it's an old technology. And that is the big problem because people don't understand the difference between new computers, old technology. You can still buy a new computer that has old technology in it that will not make it compatible with Windows 11. And that's why I always say that that shouldn't happen. And unfortunately, often goes hand in hand with the price people want to pay for their devices. So it's extremely important, extremely important. If you do buy a PC, a laptop, a desktop, to verify that it is compatible and capable of Windows 11 if it comes with Windows 10. It's extremely important because if you're buying something that isn't, like look at this here. A lot of people, I'm sure, are tempted with this Windows 10, but this, I'm pretty sure, doesn't work with Windows 11. So this shouldn't even be sold, honestly. This is where, you got to be careful. So when somebody says, I'm mad because I have a new PC that isn't compatible, you should be mad at yourself, not mad at you got a new PC that isn't compatible. You should have done your homework and paid maybe a little more to have a PC that is compatible. And for that, honestly, if you've bought a PC in the last 2 years that is not compatible with Windows 11, the only one to blame is you and not Windows, not Microsoft. You have purchased something that isn't up to what technology was at the time. Once again, it always has to do with price. And so if you do buy a laptop or a desktop, buy it knowing that you need to make sure it's compatible. And you know what? The best way is just buy a Windows 11 device. Anyways, I don't understand anyone wanting to buy a Windows 10 laptop. Stop doing that. You should not be getting a laptop that has Windows 10 on it in 2023. You should have a laptop that or a desktop that has Windows 11, and that's it. And no, you should not move back in time to that. A lot of people are in the, oh well, I'm gonna install Windows 10 on it and remove Windows 11. No, you shouldn't. That is also something that should never happen. Learn the new technologies. That's the way it is. That's always my motto. When I was a tech guy, the request that I had, oh, I got that new Windows 7 laptop. I don't like it. Can I go back to Windows XP? And my reply was always, nope, you're not. We're not going back in time. You have to move forward. You will need Windows 7 and be happy with Windows 7 at some point. But you've got to stop worrying about, maybe I won't understand this, or I don't know if I can do this correctly, or be careful what you buy. It's extremely important. No PC you buy today should not be compatible with Windows 11. It's as simple as that. And keep Windows 11. There is no reason. I've also seen some comments here on the channel, and I've seen so many over years, and I have witnessed a lot of that when I would go fix computers. You go to a computer shop guy tells you, oh, well, let's scrap Windows 11 and install Windows 10. The reason you're having problem is Windows 11. That is the worst response a computer shop can give you. Any computer shop that tells you that, take your PC and go somewhere else. It's as simple as that. It is not true. This is a computer shop response to I don't know what to do about your crappy PC that doesn't work. And it's usually that. So do not fall for, oh, we're going to go back to Windows 10. You're going to see it's going to be fine now. No, that's computer shop bull. And that should not happen. Very, very important to be careful. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.